Well, hello campers, it's Brandon here at Miracle RV in beautiful Fort Lupton, Colorado. Just got in a new line of pop-up trailers that we want to show you. Pretty cool. Let's go take a look at them. So this is a Coachman Clipper 806 XLS. Just came in yesterday on a truck. We have several of them, so don't hesitate if you're interested. Really nice thing with these is they are very light, easy to tow, but they are full-featured pop-ups with lots of great features. So let's take a look. Here's a walk around the outside. See the spare tire there. What's great is this one actually does have a refrigerator. You can see the back of your refrigerator there. It does have a city water connection. This is where your water drains out, and you have a fresh water tank to fill up and your big electrical cord. I love how it's attached and retracts inside the camper, so it's easy to not misplace, easy to find all the time. So with this camper here, let's take a look at the stats. Your GVWR is 2,900 pounds. This was brand new, made less than a month ago. That's how new this is. Dry weight, you're around the 1,600 mark. Let's see if we can find that sticker. Here it is. 1,656 dry weight, so very light, easy to tow. Here's where your battery would go. Here at Miracle RV, your battery is included. You also get that propane tank. Well, let's go take a look at the inside and see what this one's got. So first thing I want to point out, there is a nice rail for an awning. These do come with an awning, what we can attach here at the dealership, and you see the spot for your outside grill. So pretty cool, a connection to your propane connector, outside grill. Get the awning out, get some grilling going, get some music playing, you're having a good time. Portable solar plug-in to trickle charge your battery. Right here is your furnace exhaust and a nice little outside light. So coming in to the camper, you can see your dinette, which does turn into a bed, so you have an extra sleeping area, plus your two beds on the side. One bed, two beds, and your dinette. It's pretty cool. Everything you need, kind of nothing you don't. Some nice little storage. Of course, your propane carbon monoxide detector. It's got a smoke alarm, as they do these days. Here's your refrigerator. So a really nice little refrigerator, pretty cool. It's three-way, running on your 12-volt system, which is your battery, your propane, or your 110 electrical. Here's your furnace, bringing in some heat into the camper, and your true burner propane cooktop, and your little sink. And what's cool is these come with two of these little fan lights. So this runs off your 12-volt system, just plugs into the light up here. And you get a light for night, and then the nice thing is you can kind of move this around, and a fan. So next best thing to running an air conditioner is running these fans. Get a lot of great airflow. Here's the awning in the box, so we can attach that before you pick it up. It's a nice storage throughout. I love how they give you the USB chargers and the 12-volt charging station right there to keep your phone charged on those camping trips. And your gas grill that comes in, which is pretty neat as well. So yeah, pretty cool. Let us know any questions you have. Again, this is Brandon here, Miracle RV. We hope we can earn your business. Let us know if we can help you out. Happy camping. Take care. We're up in Fort Lupton, 970-833-1395. Fort Lupton, Colorado, 970-833-1395, miraclerv.com. Thank you and take care.